Hi everybody, Holly here from HolliDay AnyDay, and what's Holly drinking today? Well, what I am drinking today is kind of a throwback drink. It's called a gimlet, but we're gonna make it a little more modern, and we're gonna add some basil to it. There's a drink at a restaurant right near here in my house that they call it the hacienda, and I just love it, love it, love it, so I thought I'd make it at home. So, we're gonna start with some fresh basil. I've got 3 or 4 leaves. We can just tear it up and put it in the bottom of our shaker. Smells fabulous. To that, let's go ahead and add some fresh lime juice. This is a very limey drink. When I get it at the restaurant near here, I always have them bring me the agave on the side so I don't make it too sweet, but sweeten it as you like. The addition of agave is a little modern twist too. Usually they would use simple syrup. So we got that guy muddled in there. Oh, it smells fab. Okay. Then let's go ahead and add that agave I mentioned. Just a splash. You could use simple syrup too, but I think the agave gives it an interesting flavor. Okay. Then we're gonna use our Trust Me vodka from our good friends in town here. I'm gonna serve this up today, but it's really, really good on crushed ice. Really, really good. Okay, so let's put a little ice in our little shaker. Give it a quick shaky, shaky. Okay, now since it's got the basil, we would want to use this kind of a strainer because there's going to be some chunky stuff in it that's going to block everything. Okay. Oh, this is so yummy. You got little tiny flecks of basil in there, which works for me. Side, give it this little eye. And then we can garnish it with some fresh basil from my garden. Isn't that pretty? Let's give it a taste. Oh, that's so good. It's like a grown-up limeade. Cheers, you gotta try this one. It's easy breezy.